Hey, so if you're thinking about ClickUp and not sure whether the free plan is enough, or if you should upgrade to a paid plan in 2026, this guide will help you compare them step by step so you can decide with confidence. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Once the page loads, log in using your email address and password. After signing in, you'll land inside your workspace dashboard where you can explore all available features, both free and paid. Let's start with the free plan. ClickUp's free plan gives you core task management, basic views like list, board, and calendar, simple statuses, and basic collaboration. You can create spaces, folders, and lists, assign tasks, add due dates, and use checklists to break down work. The free plan is great for individuals and small teams who just need essential organization and simple project tracking. Now let's look at the paid plans. Paid plans unlock more advanced features like dashboards, time tracking, goals, custom fields, automations, and advanced reporting. These features help if you're managing larger teams, complex projects, or need more flexibility. For example, dashboards give you visual insights into team progress, and automations help reduce repetitive work. Uh, mm, it saves a lot of time. Another difference is collaboration limits. Free users can invite guests and a limited number of teammates, but paid plans usually allow more users and better permission controls. Also, paid plans often include improved storage limits and priority support, which can be helpful for growing teams. To compare them effectively, make a list of what you actually use in your workflow. If you don't need automations, dashboards, or advanced custom fields, the free plan might be enough. But if your team relies on automation and reporting to stay productive, a paid plan could be worth it. One tip, try the free plan first. Use all its core features for a few weeks and make note of what feels missing. Then check the paid plan features and see if those missing tools justify the upgrade. And that's basically it. Comparing ClickUp free versus paid comes down to your workflow, team size, and which features matter most to you. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with friends deciding between plans. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take